Yo, Shot-Town, put it down, I'ma hold mine. This refrigerator Perry at the goal line. In the zone when the beat hit the headphones. This refrigerator Perry in the red zone. The smell of the cologne on my teeth got me dapper. Such a nice guy, but I'm fighting with a rapper. Fuck a field goal fan, you know what to do. Man, these niggas so weak that we going for two. And I'm nice with the bars, nigga, mine's is finished. You want a war, you can meet me at the line of scrimmage. Smoking on that pot pie, got a dime of spinach. With an old school feel, man, the lines is vintage. Raise the murder rate with the shit that I record. Killing these rappers, you ready to see the Lord? You ready? Man, I'm on this rap shit like non-stop. Looking for some studio equipment at the pawn shop. Yeah. Yeah. Think like a free safety, boy, I hope you not brittle. Cracking motherfuckers when they come across the middle. Boy, you can't fade shit with them amateur raps. Every track I be giving niggas panic attacks. Now let me fill your ears with this awesome sound as we leave MCs in the lost and found. From the underground up, then we off the ground. I'ma squeeze the whole thing, then toss the pound. Get punched in your shit, boy, we G's in the shot. Make you put a frozen pack of peas on your eye. I take another pull as we breeze through the sky with that R. Kelly playing, I believe I can fly. Refrigerator Perry, how I'm running with the flow. From a nigga shaking up right in front of the stove. Put some water on your seed if you want it to grow. And I'ma tell it to you real if you wanted to know. For sure, for sure. You can try all you want, but can't fuck with my joints. The coach put me in when it's time to get the points. Keep it live for the guys, Mel never front. Get this shit cracking like a stale ass blunt. I keep this shit moving, I don't stop for you haters. Rolling up strong, watching Toxic Crusader. Going hard every verse, nigga, give me respect. I'm in the lab going nuts with my chemistry set. Heard me jap on the track, now they all concerned. Bringing rappers underground, make you crawl with worms. And I came with the flames so they all can burn. The flow breaking niggas down to their smallest terms. The flow path strong, you as good as your words. I let the haters yap while I take a pull of the herb. Haters talk, but I know they never been the distance from the city where you gotta measure wind resistance. Chicago, nigga.